Okay guys, this is a tutorial of showing you how to push-pull walls and leave your windows in the same location. And it's pretty easy and pretty straightforward once you know why. So I'm going to show you the problem that a lot of people have, even professionals. I'm going to push-pull this wall. So Shift P is my keyboard shortcut. And I'm going to move this wall out this way, but you watch, this window will move and this one won't. And that can be frustrating if you don't understand why. So I'm going to tell you. So I push-pull it out and watch this window, bang, it moved. But this one stayed in the same location. So how do I stop that from happening? Well, what I've got over here is exactly the same model, and here's the easy way around it. It'll keep all of your junctions in the right spot, all of your cuts in your cornice or your skirting in the right spot, and it will enable you to get things done. So what I've done is I've right-clicked the wall, and I'm going to go to Walls, and I'm going to go to Split Wall. I'll also explain why this happens in a second. So just quickly split that wall there, Enter, and now I go my keyboard shortcut, Shift P, move the wall out, and bang, my window stayed in the same location. It's a really good way to actually help you get more done in less time without having to, do changes later on. If you've got any questions, guys, ask them below. Or if you like the video, push like. If you dislike it, push dislike and tell us why. Now I'm going to explain to you why this happens. So I'm going to go right click walls and I'm going to create a similar wall here, right? And this is the reason why. And if I actually create a loop, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to quickly create 4 walls, and this might help explain it a little bit more. Now the thing is, you'll notice that I drew clockwise. So when I put this window in here, right click walls, add windows, down the bottom here I can type in a dimension or a distance that I want that window to go in. And you'll notice when I move it to left to right, it's allowed me to put in the dimension. So I'm going to write in here 2 meters. 2, 1, 2, 3, enter. Right, and that's given me the location of where my window starts, and I'm going to make it 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 meters wide. Right. It's a catch-22, so if you push-pull this wall here, that window is going to stay in the same location because we started drawing from this way. So Shift P, push-pull, window stays in the same location. If I push-pull this wall here, Shift P, window is going to move because this is where I started drawing my wall from. So as far as development, from a development perspective, we can't actually control that because we have to work things from the starting point of the wall. So splitting the wall is definitely the best way to go about it. So if I wanted to keep that window in that location, walls, split wall, here, enter, right, Shift P, window, cornice, junctions, everything stays in the same location. I hope it helps you out, guys. If you've got any questions, again, put them below. If you like the video, push like. If you dislike it, push dislike. Cheers.